Today is November 25, 2025. Happy Tuesday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Today, allow me to share with you my reflection for today's gospel from the account of Luke chapter 21, verses 5 to 11. Let me share three T's. T. Temple, trials, and trusts. First T. The gospel speaks of the temple. And it's good to ask ourselves today, what are we really building in our life? In the gospel for today, the disciples, they were amazed at the beauty of the temple, its stones, its decorations, its grandeur, But Jesus reminds them that even the most impressive structures will someday fall. This challenge, asks us to ask ourselves, what temples am I building in my life? Are they temples of pride, temples of comfort, reputations, or material success or connections? These things, my dear friends, eventually crumble. The Lord invites us to build a temple that endures, that is a heart anchored in God, a life rooted in love, rooted in forgiveness, in humility and service. External things fade, but what we build within, our character, our faith, our relationship with God, becomes the true temple that no earthquakes, no wars, and crises can destroy. And the second T, let me talk about trials. The shaking and the tribulations in our life reveals what truly matters. Jesus speaks of wars. He speaks of earthquakes, of famines, of plagues, and fearful signs, realities that shake the world and will shake our hearts. But trials are not punishments. They are revelations. They reveal what we cling to. They reveal what we fear and what we truly believe in. My dear friends, trials expose the shaky foundations in our life so that God can strengthen the real foundation, and that is our faith in Him. When life becomes overwhelming, Jesus is not telling us to panic. He is teaching us to recognize that every trial, every problem is a call to a deeper conversion, a call to return to Him and to trust His presence even when everything around us seems uncertain. And finally, amidst of the trials we are experiencing, we are invited to trust the Lord. This trust anchor that holds us steady. Amid of all the chaos described in the gospel, Jesus' message is not fear but faith. His message is not distraction but dependence on God, and He says, do not be terrified. Do not be afraid. Trust becomes the anchor that keeps us grounded when life becomes unstable. Trust means building that God is in control even when we are not. Trust means knowing that no matter what is happening around us, like politically, globally, or personally, God's plan is greater, God's love is stronger, and God's presence is closer than we think. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, when everything seems to be falling apart, trust tells us that God is still holding us together. Trust in the Lord because He is in control. So today, as Jesus speaks about the end of times, He is not inviting us to fear, but to focus. He calls us to remember the three T's. Temple, that is, build your life on what lasts. Trials, see difficulties and problems as invitations to grow. And trust, hold on to God, who never lets go because He is in control. May these words strengthen us to live with courage, live with faith and hope in the Lord who walks with us in every moment of our lives. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.